Jambo.
Machiegni kwan ji madirom 1,500 osemaki e pacho kae kaluwore gi ng'anyo mabende nyicha ne obagi e pacho kae ka obila timo nonro e wi lipode mabende osechwalnegi kaluwore kod ng'anyo makamano. Jatend migawo mar arita kwe maiye Kipchumba Murkomen noloso e yo machalo kamae.
Police officers also, whether they are using a Subaru or walking on foot or using a lorry, are expected also to abide by the law. And that's why we say that any claims that there is a police officer who is killing people, whether it's in civilian or not, must be investigated, and we must ensure that those who have been affected by their actions are brought to justice. So there is no excuse. The dress code of a police officer is not an excuse. In fact, a police officer who sleeps in his house and there is an emergency and he needs to rescue a citizen does not need to wear a uniform. Just wake up and go and rescue, and then do what you need to do as a police officer. Then the rest is, the uniform is just for identification, when you need identification. So the point here I want to make here is that all cases of excesses reported will be investigated equally. Number two is to say that there is no non-police squad that is involved in killing people, at least not in this administration, and not that the cabinet secretary is aware of.